Guys, what is up? How's everybody doing? Check it out, it's Mark. This is a flashback because a buddy of mine 3 years ago to date, good buddy of mine, came in. He's like, dude, I saw that truck you just got. I'm coming up to buy it. This guy's a straight shooter. He's like, when he wants something, it's on point. And when he says he wants something, he's not stopping until he gets it. Anyways, long story short, he comes up the day of that I bought this 3 years ago and buys it off me. Guess who's back? Guess who's got it back now? Me, because I sold him my white Denali Duramax. Or my black Denali 2014 with the American Forces on it in the video prior, well, like 8, 9 videos ago, 10 videos ago, whatever. This is a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Duramax LTZ, loaded, sunroof, backup camera, navigation, 4-inch turbo back straight pipe. It's got a it's got a single tune on it. It's got train horns by, I forget who they're gonna train. I'll show you in the video. Anyways, it's got train horns on it. It's killer, killer, killer. Super, super loud. It's funny as hell. You scare the shit out of people. Anyways, let's go on with the video. Show you guys the truck, and I'll take it for a spin. See how you guys like it. This has got a Fabtech lift kit on it. Super nice set of wheels and tires here. These are called BMF wheels. You guys ready for this? Big motherfucking wheels. I knew you saw that one coming. Anyways, it's got a set of Nitto Trail Grapplers. These are a 37 13 50 22-inch tire. They got about probably, I'd say, what would you guys say? Probably 90% tread, 85% tread. All you naysayers out there, oh, it's got 10% tread. Suck my balls. Well, there you go. Whatever. Anywho, frame's in great shape. No rust, maybe a little bit of surface rust. Go ahead, naysayers. Say this fucking thing's loaded with rust. A little bit of surface rust, sticker's still on it. I replaced the upper control arm with ball joint, incorporated lower ball joints on this truck because it needed them. So I went ahead and didn't hesitate to spend the money. I dumped some money into it. Make sure it's all good. Your joints, you want your joints to be good and all that stuff. In big trucks like this, guys, don't cheap it out on your joints. Big trucks, they have a heavy, carry a heavy weight. So you got to support that weight. Wheels are in great shape. These are a 22 by 12 inch wheel. That does not rub at all. Full turn left, full turn right. Awesome truck. So paint's in great shape. My buddy takes really good care of his stuff. MBRP 5-inch exhaust tip. Here's the horns right here. The shocker horns are called HornBlasters. Awesome horn kit. And I'll show you guys how loud these are in a second. Ready? So I'm gonna put this on right here. I'm gonna walk around the rest of the truck. I'm gonna put the horns on for you guys, show you how loud it is. Oh, I'm 6 foot tall, by the way. Here is me next to the truck. So there you go. Comparison and side comparison too. All you guys, it's very critical that you guys know about, you know, certain state and law regulations as far as how far the tires can stick out. Most states are 2 inches past the fender well. Some people get around that by putting fender flares on it or putting the stock tires on when you go to get inspection. Anyways, whatever you do is up to you only. Turn signals incorporated in the truck. Awesome interior, blacked out completely. Leather, wood grain, just like I was telling you earlier. This truck has, let me see the miles on it. Ready? Miles are, don't fail me now, don't fail me. I thought my phone was gonna drop. Miles are 138,112. So, we'll start it up, take it for a spin, show you guys what's up. Ready? Ready for the horn? Who's ready for the horn? Ready? Oh man, it's loud. So I'm gonna drive by you guys. Oh, there you go. Show you under the hood real quick too. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, okay? And hit the notification button. If you look down in the body, if you click like the description of it, click that description. That'll bring down the exact description on what I key in and put into what's done to each vehicle. You'll see a list of stuff that's on the vehicle. So that's how, if I'm not gonna go over it in the video or if I forget to go over something, that's where it's gonna be. So, there you go. Clean. S&B air filter system. Cool. Ready? Take it for a spin and then I'm in the video. Take your first spin this way so you guys can hear it. I want you guys to hear that exhaust. Those diesels, man, those diesels, people get crazy with those diesels, man. Those crazy diesels, man. Check it out, ready? There you have it. This is Mark signing out with the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ Duramax. 22-inch wheels, 37-inch tires, Fabtech suspension lift. Clears perfectly. Awesome running truck. Hit me up, 540-848-2974. Hope you guys are doing good. If you have any questions, holler at me. Subscribe. Hope you guys like it. Kick ass. Rock on.